Mehergarh is a Neolithic archaeological site, dated circa 7000 BCE, c. 2500 by 2000 BCE, situated on the Kutchi plain of Balochistan in Pakistan. It is located near the Bolan Pass, to the west of the Indus River and between the modern-day Pakistani cities of Quetta, Kalat and Sibi. The site was discovered in 1974 by the French archaeological mission led by the French archaeologists Jean-François Zarrigue and his wife, Catherine Zarrigue. Mehergarh was excavated continuously between 1974 and 1986, and again from 1997 to 2000. Archaeological material has been found in 6 mounds, and about 32,000 artifacts have been collected from the site. The earliest settlement at Mehergarh, located in the northeast corner of the 495-acre (2.00 square kilometers) site, was a small farming village dated between 7000 BCE and 5500 BCE. Mehergarh is the earliest known site in South Asia showing evidence of farming and herding. It was influenced by the Neolithic culture of the Near East, with similarities between domesticated wheat varieties, early phases of farming, pottery, other archaeological artifacts, some domesticated plants and herd animals. According to Asko Parpola, the culture migrated into the Indus Valley and became the Indus Valley civilization of the Bronze Age. Jean-François Zarrigue argues for an independent origin of Mehergarh. Zarrigue notes the assumption that farming economy was introduced full-fledged from Near East to South Asia, and the similarities between Neolithic sites from eastern Mesopotamia and the western Indus Valley, which are evidence of a cultural continuum between those sites. However, given the originality of Mehergarh, Zarrigue concludes that Mehergarh has an earlier local background and is not a backwater of the Neolithic culture of the Near East. Early Mehergarh residents lived in mud brick houses, stored their grain in granaries, fashioned tools with local copper ore, and lined their large basket containers with bitumen. They cultivated 6-row barley, einkorn and emmer wheat, jujubes and dates, and herded sheep, goats, and cattle. Residents of the later period, 5500 BCE to 2600 BCE, put much effort into crafts, including flint knapping, tanning, bead production, and metal working. Mehergarh is probably the earliest known center of agriculture in South Asia. The oldest known example of the lost wax technique comes from a 6,000-year-old wheel-shaped copper amulet found at Mehergarh. The amulet was made from unalloyed copper, an unusual innovation that was later abandoned. The oldest ceramic figurines in South Asia were found at Mehergarh. They occur in all phases of the settlement and were prevalent even before pottery appears. The earliest figurines are quite simple and do not show intricate features. However, they grow in sophistication with time, and by 4000 BC begins to show their characteristic hairstyles and typical prominent breasts. All the figurines up to this period were female. Male figurines appear only from period 7 and gradually become more numerous. Many of the female figurines are holding babies and were interpreted as depictions of the mother goddess. However, due to some difficulties in conclusively identifying these figurines with the mother goddess, some scholars prefer using the term female figurines with likely cultic significance. Evidence of pottery begins from period 2. In period 3, the finds become much more abundant as the potter's wheel is introduced, and they show more intricate designs and also animal motifs. The characteristic female figurines appear beginning in period 4 and the finds show more intricate designs and sophistication. Pipal leaf designs are used in decoration from period 6. Some sophisticated firing techniques were used from periods 6 and 7, and an area reserved for the pottery industry has been found at Mount Mr1. However, by period 8, the quality and intricacy of designs seem to have suffered due to mass production and a growing interest in bronze and copper vessels. There are 2 types of burials in the Mehergarh site. There were individual burials where a single individual was enclosed in narrow mud walls and collective burials with thin mud brick walls within which skeletons of 6 different individuals were discovered. The bodies in the collective burials were kept in a flexed position and were laid east to west. Child bones were found in large jars or urn burials, 4000 till the 3300 BCE. Metal findings have been dated as early as period IIB, with a few copper items. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.